So we're doing a little recording of this microphone, just a Sennheiser 835, says E835, made in Germany. Just a microphone. This clip on the side of the bass mic holder is rigged up and working. There it is, right next to the F-hole. And here's the sound coming out of these speakers here. Driven by this amp. SWR 220 2 Okay, once more around, let's hear this bass sound. This is pretty much an entry-level bass. Ebonized maple fingerboard, all plywood body. We have spiral core strings on it. It's a strong sounding bass for a cheap, plywood bass. Our price on it's basically a 900 plus, it's 900 plus any setups, any upgraded strings, whatever. Comes with adjustable bridge. But this is a quick demo of the mic sound, okay? And that's what kind of bass that this is done on. And it's being held by this mic holder. Okay.